Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to cancel Apple subscriptions. The first option is using your Apple device, either your iPhone, your iPad or your Apple Vision Pro. So first you need to go over to the Settings app, tap your name, tap on Subscriptions, and then you're going to look for the subscription you wish to cancel. Tap on it and then you'll see the Cancel Subscription option. Now if you're using a MacBook, go over to the App Store, click on your name, and if you can't find your name, click on Sign In. And then when you're signed in, you can go over to Account Settings, scroll down to Subscriptions, and then click Manage. Click on the subscription you wish to cancel, and you'll see the cancel option right there. Now, if you're using a Windows PC or you're using the web version, all you need to do is to go over to account.apple.com. And then when you get there, you're going to log into your account. When you find the subscriptions panel, locate the subscription you would like to cancel, click on it, and then locate the Cancel Subscription option. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.